Hello everyone, this is the tutorial video for upgrading your RAM of your laptop from 8 GB going to 16 GB. So bear with me how it works manually upgrading your laptop to make it faster from 8 GB, and I will convert this to 16 GB. I got this from Amazon to memory total of 16 GB, 2 piece of 8 GB, DDR3. Alright, so first making sure all your laptop is totally turned off to avoid damage internally on your laptop. Alright, so put it on a soft space so that it will not scratch your laptop. We need the Phillips screw positive, the small one, to remove all the screw at the bottom. So remove it carefully, one by one. This is my first time doing this, trying to figure out how to remove it carefully. So slowly. So I hear the click. So I need my credit card to insert at the edge so that I can carefully remove the cover. Alright, carefully sliding inside. Until you totally remove the cover. Voila. Okay, looks like it's working okay with my credit card. Alright, finally I remove it. Okay, you can see on the screen the two memory card that's installed. So we'll replace that two with the new one. So click on the side and it will pop up. Alright, successful. So be careful not to touch the gold connector so that it will not damage your chips. So we have this brand new 8GB RAM, total of 16, and we will install inside. Let's open it. Okay, making sure the notch is aligned properly. The other way around. So there's a notch in there, should be aligned to the slot. Push it 45 degrees and then push down, and you hear the click. It means you inserted it correctly. See? Go onto the second slot with this new 8GB memory. Same procedure. 45 degrees. Insert and then push down. You hear the click. Alright. So our two memory cards are now inserted, and then we can put back the cover. Let's save these two memory cards. They are still okay. Save for later update to other computer, or you can sell it also. These are still working good condition. So let's save it. Okay, let's get the cover and align to the laptop, making sure they are all properly seated. Before you push it, and you heard the click, make it sure they are all on correct position. But before finalizing the screw, we would like to verify first by turning on the computer, making sure the two newly installed memory RAM are working okay, so that later if it's not working okay, then we will open it again. So this time I want to verify first before I finalizing the cover to put all the screw. We have a lot of screw to put in, so that's my practice, to verify first my work, make it sure in good quality, working okay before finalizing everything to put back in original. Alright, bear with me, our laptop is still booting up. We need to verify, making sure the 8 GB RAM is now 16, should be. Alright, wait, bear with me. We need to do this so that we will not go back and open again our laptop if it's not working okay. It's a good practice to verify your work before finalizing everything to save time. Alright, still booting up. So the touchscreen is still working okay. Means I did not damage my laptop. Alright, let's verify the memory. Let's increase the display resolution, maximize to see it clearly. Okay, let's focus it. The memory is now using 16% of 15.9, and voila, it's 16 GB DDR3 RAM installed on the new upgrade of your RAM. perfect. So we installed it successfully, correctly, and we are now ready to finalize all the screws in our laptop to secure it. Alright, so it's now 16 gigabytes memory of my laptop. Faster a little bit now. I can do faster on my documentation, my work. Very nice. I feel happy. Alright, so now I can put back all the screw to its correct location. I need to double check all the edges, making sure they are properly seated. And now start putting back together all the screw to its actual location. Bear with me. Alright, I sealed everything. All the screw are put it back all in good condition. So I will be verifying my laptop this time again. Let's start it on. And check, making sure it's working okay. And finalize everything. It's 12:20 in the morning already. Still booting up. My HP ENVY touch screen. It's a Intel Core 5. Now it's 16GB DDR3. Perfect. It means I installed the memory correctly and my laptop is faster now. Alright, if you find this video helpful and informative to you, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and write comment and support my channel. Thank you for watching.